Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a tasty, refreshing gazpacho soup. Now, when it comes to tomatoes, all are good to use. Heirlooms, vine ripes, or even cherry tomatoes. Local produce is in full effect, and we're going to take advantage. So what we're going to do is roughly chop those up. Next, we're going to add in a roughly chopped up red onion, a few garlic cloves. Next, a seeded roughly chopped yellow pepper, and a peeled roughly chopped cucumber. And for a little sweetness, and because they're in season, we're going to add a few pitted, peeled, and sliced peaches. Going to add some nice sweetness there. Next, we're going to add in some sea salt, followed up with a little red wine vinegar. This is going to help bring out flavor and extract some juices. We're going to finish with a little fresh basil leaf. We're going to toss it until it is completely combined and mixed together. And then we're going to add it to the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, let it release some of those juices and add more flavor. Once it is done marinating, we're going to transfer it over to a blender or an immersion blender. And what you're going to want to do is pulse it on high speed until it is smooth with a good amount of chunks in there still. You may have to do this in batches. Once it's done, adjust any seasonings with salt and pepper. We're going right over to a bowl. I'm just going to pour a good amount of that on there. And then for garnish, what I like to do is take all the vegetables that were in there, very, very finely dice them, and add them to the top. Just brings a lot of colors and you see what's in it. And then for a little greenery, some fresh chopped cilantro for some nice lemon lime flavors. I also like to serve this up with sourdough bread that you can get fresh at the Heinen's Bakery every single day. And my friends, this gazpacho soup is so refreshing and perfect on those hot summer days.